I've wanted for a long time to set up some kind of legal office or legal centre in Samos. The reason being is that I mentioned the medical care, education, everything is lacking in Samos. But what is really lacking is access to legal aid, legal assistance. People have their first admissibility interview sometimes a month or a couple of months after they've first arrived on the island. And in that time, they could be preparing for their case, but no one has access to any lawyers. I was reading the other day that only 9.6% of the population of Samos have had access to legal information or assistance on the asylum procedures that they're about to spend the next year or two of their life going through. It's really low. There's I think, one lawyer in the island at the moment from the Greek Council for Refugees, but obviously she's totally overworked with 2,003 people living on the island, and she takes on the most vulnerable cases. There are another group of lawyers there who only deal with appeals, so there's no one permanently there to help prepare people for their first interview. Apart from when we get volunteer lawyers coming from different organisations to the island. So the next project of Samos Volunteers is we would like to rent a small space close to the Alpha Centre to be able to host lawyers when they come and to provide legal information sessions there for people in big groups so we can get the message across about the asylum procedures, what's going to happen to them over the next few months, and then have a place where lawyers can meet privately and confidentially with their clients to talk about the sensitive nature of their cases. We've come a long way. We have the people and the motivation and the drive to make it work, and I think it will have an extremely positive impact.